Anyone like would like to start? Like you can ask doubts, or if you're having any errors in your system.
So can I share my screen and start?
Yeah, Tanish, right, sure.
The problem is I I've tried both the things, like adding two numbers and also the calculator thing. Like whenever I run this code, I get the previous one. The
Previous one in the sense.
previous
Can you run this?
Yeah, when I write, copy the number from Visual Studio Code and then use it in the Chrome, then I'll not get the output of the calculator, but the like adding to numbers.
Can you show it to me?
Yes, sir.
Like one more thing, Tanish. Like every time, like I mentioned, right? For each and every project, create a separate directory. Like create separate Python files and template files. Like if I see over here, all your Python files and your template files in one folder itself. So each project, what you do is like you create a separate files and folders. First folder, first project, second project. Inside that, only one Python file and templates folder. Sorry.
So we can create different templates folder.
I didn't get.
Can we create different templates folder?
No, no. What I'm telling is that for each and every project you have created, right? App one, app three, app two .py. .py file is there, right?
Yes.
So what you do is like create a separate folders for each and every project. So put app1.py in one folder and templates folder inside that one. One more folder, app three. So put app3.py in that and templates folder for corresponding that one.
Okay, sir. I'll try and then let you know that.
You can show me this error, what's happening against.
Oh, yes.
Why do you do this pip install flask and pip install every time?
So no need to just install this requests.
No, no, no. Every time you don't have to do it. It will always be there. You just have to run Python app underscore one.py or whatever file you're running, right? App underscore two.py now. So Python space app underscore two.py.
So directly to start with the project, no need to install anything every time we do it.
No, you don't have to install everything like all the time. Only once if you have installed, it will always be there. You can access that. So if you
So
see
no,
that requirements already satisfied, like you're
hmm.
getting that message, right? So it's already installed.
So now can I just continue or should I do it from the beginning?
You continue like that error. You can show me like what you are getting so that we can resolve. Continue with Python app, Python space app underscore two.py.
So this is the project of calculator, but I got the previous one's output.
Excuse me, sir.
Can you show me like what HTML it's running in that? Like what you have. So if you go to app underscore 2.py file, right? So you're requesting which HTML file? Index2.html file. Can you go to index2.html file?
So it was 2 here, like I changed it to 3 now.
So save that one. So Control C, you press stop the server.
Yes, sir. So now should I try it
So
again?
Python app3.py. Try once again, start it once again.
Sir, it's Python app 2.py, no, sir.
Uh,
So there's app 2.py.
So I think I changed it here, like
Okay, this is just your addition. 2.html. Go to 3.html. Index3.html. Okay, run this one. App Python app underscore 3.py.
so here it's like correct.
Refresh that page. Control numbers. Can you go to your HTML file? Or else press F12. X3 and it's coming. Go to your web browser and press F12. Tanishka,
Like should
go to
I
your web
create
browser and press one.
different folders and then try again?
Okay, do that one and check. Like app.3.py and templates, index underscore 3.html separate. Try that one and we'll see. Okay. So you try that, Tanishka. Others you can share your errors on screen.
Sorry, I did not hear. Can you repeat?
Sorry.
So you said something. Can you repeat it? I did.
Okay. Can you try that one like you told you'll put it in a separate folder and try that one, right? Try that one and we'll see that if you're still getting the error.
Yes, sir.
And name it as app.py itself. But templates, you can name it anything. Index2.html or something like whatever you wish.
Yes.
Okay. Others, you can share your screen if you're having errors.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can I share my screen?
Yeah, share it.
Sir, here I'm not able to install Flask.
Missed. Python minus minus version, can you check?
Sir, I have the Python version in the files, but for the verification, if I type here Python minus minus version, I'm not able to get here.
And then it's not added in your environment variable. You need to add Python in your environment variable. So what you do is like you uninstall this Python.
Yes, sir.
So when you install, like you'll get a checkbox, right? Add to
Yes.
variable. So click on that one and install it once again.
Sure, sir.
Okay. You can refer to class one video and you can install that one. You'll get to know like how to install Python.
Sir, yesterday I went through the first class recording, sir.
Okay. So you didn't add that add environment variable. Like you
I
didn't
have
take that
added,
one.
sir. I added the path in the environment.
Okay. Can you share your screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Python. Okay. See, it's not installed. Python minus Python space minus minus version. You check. There is no space after. Okay. Python is not at all installed. It's not able. It's not added to the path also. Okay. So press Windows and search environment variable.
Yes, sir.
Share your full screen.
So what about now?
Share your screen. Like I'm able to see only your command prompt. I need to see your entire screen.
So what about now?
I'm not able to. No, I'm not able to view your screen. It's just your terminal. I need your entire screen. Stop sharing. Share once again with your entire screen.
Yes, sir. So now?
Can you Python? Can you go down in that system variables? See, Python is not installed. So what you do is like uninstall the Python which you have, right? So install
Yes,
it
sir.
once again, referring to video one.
This
Add
one,
the
sir?
environment variable
Yes, sir.
and check once again. You can
Sure.
start doing it now.
Yes, sir.
By the end of the class, like show it to me like how you're done.
Okay, sir.
Others?
Sir, I have a error, but like I'm joining now from laptop. I'm using now to join from mobile, so it's getting hang. Like you can go with today's topic, and I will share at the last. Is it
There is
possible,
no
sir?
like today's topic or something like that. It's just your error resolving and trying to understand like what and all you have learned till this class.
Okay, sir. Sir, give me a minute. I will resolve this problem and join from laptop.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Nitish.
Sir, I have a regarding why are arcs and something like KWARGS are used.
Arts and quarks, right? Those concept
Yes.
you need to.
Yes, sir. Why we use them?
Okay, so for that concept you told, right? What is your understanding on that? What did you understand from that till now? Like your understanding, I want to know.
Regarding arcs and quarks, sir,
Yeah.
I think so. Those are like variables, something like.
No, those are not variables. So, which concept it was taught in?
Mm, I don't remember, sir.
Okay. One thing I'll tell you, go through that functions concept once again through the video, but I'll explain
Yes.
it once again. So,
Yes.
these arcs and quarks are functions, not variables. So, we use arcs is for like argument function, and quarks is for your keyword argument functions. So, use you have learned dictionary, right? How we use keywords and retrieve those data. Similarly, in functions, we use keys as an argument. So we provide like everything data inside the arguments and we'll pass through the function. But in ops, we'll just only pass the argument, like which whatever data has to come inside the function. For that reason, we use arguments. I'll go through that video once again,
Oh,
and I'll also send you like one link. You can go through that one, or else go just a minute. So I've shared one link. Go through that link. Try to execute that output in your system now and share your screen after you completed that one.
yes, sir.
Try that one. If you're still not able to understand, I'll explain like what you've done on that example.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
What about others? Any doubts? Okay. So previous class, you have tried the example of calculator, that flask. You can share your screen and you can show your outputs. Leaving Arufa, Tanishka and Abhishek. Others can share your screen and you can show that output. So we'll start with
Should I also, sir?
Nitesh, you continue with the work like arts and chords, leaving you also.
Yes.
Angelina, you can start sharing your screen.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Angelina.
Sir, I missed 2 or 3 classes, so I didn't start doing it.
Okay, but if you are messaged, you'll be going through those videos and trying those examples, right?
So I didn't watch the recording video. So by the end of the class, I will do it and I will send it to you.
And so if you don't try like how do I tell this one? Okay, Alif, next Jaswin.
Yes, I am opening my file. I can't find. Okay, so, sir, can you give me 5 minutes?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Sir.
By the time he opens, Jaswin, Olivia Rose, you can start sharing your screen and you can show your last class, like whatever was taught in your class, that calculator, right? Show that output.
So last class I was absent, sir, so I could not do.
So if you're absent, like you have to go through that video and you have to try that one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about the previous class, the very first flash app?
Sir?
The very you have any sample flash app in your system?
No, sir.
If there is no flash app, like you told, you're absent for last class, but flash was taught in 2 classes.
Yes, sir. The last 2 classes I was absent, sir. Like I didn't have this group, sir. Today I joined in this group, sir.
Okay. Then what about functions?
Dictionary, sir.
Yeah, functions which was taught, right?
Yes.
Can you show some outputs of those, or whatever you have tried?
Sir, like I haven't tried, sir, because I was not familiar with the Python. The app.
Okay. Just one question. You're in level 3 only, right?
Yes.
So how can you tell like you're not familiar with Python?
No, sir. Like the new app.
No, if you try only, like you'll get familiar, right? If you
Yes,
tell
sir.
these excuses, it's not acceptable.
No, sir. I'm trying.
Next, Kruti, your output on Flask, whatever was taught in last class. Kruti, are there? Okay, Kruti is not active, like she just kind of is. Next, Gautam.
Sir, I'm using my phone to attend. Is it fine if I send the screenshot in the WhatsApp group later?
No, you have to share the screen now. Like you're done, right?
So can you give me 5 minutes? I'll try to join using my laptop. I'm
So it was
currently
told like
attending.
previous class, whatever was taught, like whatever was executed, you have to show your screen, that one, right? To be ready for that.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. Next, Sibinath.
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Like you can share your screen and you can show that flash cap. What was taught in
Sir,
last class.
I missed that flash cap class. So I
Okay.
just saw the YouTube video which was recorded, but still
Okay.
I was like confused how to install it.
Can you show me your screen and like what like issue you're facing?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah, you can share your screen.
so like I faced some issues, so I just uninstalled the Visual Studio app and reinstalled it.
Okay. You should be having those files, right? Can you show that files? Issue was with
Sir,
your
which
Visual
one,
Studio
sir?
Code, so you uninstalled. But you should be having those files, right? Show me that files like which you had created.
Sir, which one?
The Flask app, like files, app.py and templates and index.html file.
Sir, is this one you asked?
Your not the Python, this folder. I'm asking your project folder where you have created the tab.py file, right? Where is the tab.py file?
Sir, in Visual Studio Code.
No, it's not in Visual Studio Code. It will be in your local disk. Can you check where you have saved? Okay, you can see that WeJump folder, right? Open that WeJump folder, left hand side. It's just your images, but you don't have your. I needed that code part. So it's array function and dictionaries. What about your app.py file? Where is that?
Sir, I did not do that, sir.
I just accept you didn't do. Okay, fine. Maria?
Should I stop sharing the screen, sir?
Yeah, stop sharing. Yeah. Maria, can you share your screen and show like what was done in last class year, like what you executed in the Flash calculator app or addition app? So Maria is not in class. Okay. So Abhishek. Kundan?
Sir, like I'm traveling and using my phone right now.
Okay. If you're using your phone or something like that, right? I should have mentioned in previous class because every Python class, it's as I told, you have to practice in that class itself and show your
Even I
outputs,
was
right?
not, so like even I was not showing like
Okay. Ashit?
So I'm out. I've messaged you. I'm asking you as soon as I reach home, I'll show it to you. I have it done. Only the addition part.
Okay. Sure. Sure. Ruben, you can share your screen and show what you did in last class.
Sir, I was not present in last class, sir.
Sorry, can you repeat?
Sir, I was not there in the last class.
Okay. What about the previous class?
Yeah, sir, I did attend, but right now I'm using a different device. So, in that, right now I just installed the Visual Studio Code.
Okay.
So I don't have my old files.
Okay. Nitish?
Sir,
Yeah. Did you execute anything that chords and arc?
sir, this time I'm trying to understand that, sir. I'll share my screen at the last, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay. So out of 15 students, only Tanishka has the code. Others like you're traveling or using your other devices or something like.
I also have the code, sir.
Can you execute that one?
The addition code, sir.
Calculator. Yeah, addition or calculator code.
Yeah.
Execute that one.
Yes.
Screen sharing. Okay, run this code.
Sir, is my screen visible? Yeah.
Yeah, it's visible.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. I didn't use the calculator once. I just used the add function. That is some function.
23. Okay.
Shall I stop sharing my screen, sir?
Okay, you can stop sharing it. Thank you.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Tanishka.
So like I try to create different folders, but when I run the code in the terminal, like it's showing the file not found because like I've created many folders under
Can you
the
share your screen and show
file.
that one? Like I tell you like what
Yes.
to do. Project 3, app3.py is there. Okay, in that project 3, I've created one folder, right? So there has to be templates folder inside project 3 folder.
So inside this folder,
Project 3, there should be one folder called as templates. Create new folder.
so under this folder.
Under this folder, yes. Templates. Okay. copy that HTML file inside that templates of project 3.
So should I just move?
Yeah, move that. So it's not inside templates folder, that HTML file. Move that into templates folder. No. Oh yeah, click on that. Yeah, move. Okay, now what you do is like in your terminal,
Yeah, sir.
cd,
So CD.
remove that Python. Remove that Python. This is your Windows, right? So remove that cd also, dir, enter. So your project 3. Okay, cd project 3, cd space project 3. .py.
So like the folder name, should
Oh
this
yeah, this is folder.
be
Yeah,
capital?
folder. P has to be capital. Yeah. No, don't put that .py file. Only like it's folder, right? You're going to that folder. Press enter. So Python app underscore 3.py. Underscore 3.py.
It's still the same.
Can you check that index HTML file?
So HTML.
Index 3 HTML file.
So yeah.
Tap in that way. Okay, can you go to your browser? Refresh is there, right? Can you right click on that refresh? Right click. You get one option. No. On refresh. Refresh is there, right? You can see that refresh or left side, that circle one. Yeah. Right click on that. Okay, you're not getting that add refresh also. Tanishka, send me this file as zip file. I'll check this one later.
Yes. Excuse me, sir.
Who was that?
Sir, me, Tanishka.
Yeah, Tanisha.
So like after the link, last time we had like slash tests. Like if you want to add something like that, then in the app root, can I add it?
Sorry, I didn't.
So just a second. Yeah, so here, like after the slash, like if you want to add some text, then can I?
Okay, root you're mentioning, right? Yeah, you can add that root also. Test, something like test or calculator or something.
Yes,
Save that file and run it.
yes.
Okay, since like most of you are not trying like what is taught in class, right? So I'll give you one assignment now till whatever has been done till this class. So I want to see all your outputs, whatever was taught in class. So next class, like when you're coming, like make sure you're ready with sharing your screen and you can start sharing. So if you're not having any doubts, you can leave. So we'll wind up this today's class because since nobody showed the output, right? Like what was done in previous class or that to previous class. So I'll give you that assignment. Take it as assignment for next class. Show all the outputs.
Sir, like, can you repeat the assignment?
Sorry, what is? Can you repeat in the sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If there are no doubts, like we'll wind up this session. Thank you, everyone.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Jaswin.
Sir, while I'm running the program, the page I'm getting is name error. Uh, can I share my screen?
Yeah, sure. Yes.
Sir, like, when you repeated the assignment, you were muted, I guess.
So can you execute that one? Check that result is equals to none, right? Make it capital N.
Sir, can you repeat it again?
This somewhere you have written small n, right? Make it capital N. Somewhere none you have written for result value. Sixth line. Make it capital N.
Okay.
Try now.
Yeah, sir. Where can I find this
A
output?
result you're not printing. Go down. Check if you're getting results. Results you're sending. Okay. In index.html. Sending
Yes.
result. You have to make it SNE and is there, right? It has to be result, not sending. It has to be result. You're sending as result, right?
Okay, sir.
If result, make it result.
So in the code, the spelling of the result is RESULT. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. I'm not getting the output.
If result. Can I go to your .py file?
Okay, sir.
You're sending it as index.txt. Result you're sending. Okay, fine. Result, right? Can you print result over here somewhere before return render? Before return render, print the result where it's happening. No. It's an except value for. Print it somewhere, that result. Outside your try condition.
Sir, is it okay?
Result you're not, it will come none because you're not doing anything, right?
Yeah. So somewhere here, sir.
No. Before return render template is there, right? Before that it has to come.
Here.
Press backspace twice or thrice. One more. No. That will be wrong. Syntax is wrong. Space. Yeah. Print now. Try executing. So it's coming none only like every time.
Yeah, sir.
Calculate. Can you go to terminal and check?
Terminal, it's showing none. 1 to 7.
Okay, for that reason, like you're not handling that result well. Check the code once and try once again.
Okay, sir.
So I'm ready. If you want, I'll show it.
Yeah, you can start sharing screen.
Yes, sir. So this was the main project. It's just the addition part. I haven't done the whole calculator part.
This is your addition. Okay, fine. Sending message. It's fine, Ashit. Try the calculator, like as I told, like for coming into your next class, right? Show everything.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Thank you. So I'll wind up this session. Like we'll meet in next class. Thank you.
Sir, have an error. Can I share my screen? Because I joined now from laptop, it was getting hang so much.